Hi, I'm Ashley Hayford. The website that I'm going to present to you is called SurveyMonkey, and you can go to this website by typing into your browser surveymonkey.com. SurveyMonkey.com is a free website, or you can purchase the upgraded version, which is called Pro. You will need to create your own free account like I've already done, and what you see here is my home screen. I've created an account and I have logged in. So on my home screen, you'll notice I have my surveys, which is showing up here, surveys I've already created. I have examples or templates of other types of surveys. I have services and prices for things that I can purchase. But what I want to show you first is the examples for education. Now, some people question why I would pick this website. What does survey have to do with education? And this web page specifically addresses those concerns. Notice that you can provide surveys for parents to get feedback. You can create a survey for students to find out how effective a learning activity is. You can create surveys on school climate, satisfaction, etc. Or you could even use an evaluation survey for students to evaluate each other in a group work situation. So here are some templates that we could click on. For example, if I click on bullying survey, a template will come up that will have pre-made questions that have to do with bullying, and if I wanted to use this survey, I could. It's already here for me. So here I have 10 questions that have already been written about bullying, and the type of question for this particular template is one in which I would type my answer in. So that's just one particular template to give you an idea of what we're looking at. So if I go back to my education template, I'm going to go back to my surveys, and I'm going to create a survey from scratch just to kind of give you an overview of how to do that. It's very user-friendly, very simple. So what I'm going to do is click on the green button that says Create Survey. Now again, I could create one from a template, but I am going to create my own survey so that it will serve the needs that I want to use it for. Now I will have a variety of options of questions that I can incorporate on my survey as well, so that's one of the benefits of using this website. So I am going to build a new survey from scratch, and I'm going to name my survey Parent Feedback. And I'm going to select the category of education and click Let's Go. Now my other option was to edit an existing survey or to use one from a template. Now my page is taking a minute to load. It's going to take a minute to organize itself, but I'm going to now create the individual questions that will be in my survey. This is what my screen will look like when I'm ready to build test questions. So notice I have my empty page here, and then to the side I have all different types of questions from multiple choice, drop down, ranking, text boxes, comments, etc. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a drop down. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to drag and release over to my empty page space. The other option was to click the little add button here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my question. So my question is, how satisfied were you with your child's teacher? My answer choices are very satisfied, satisfied, or not satisfied. Now what I would like to do is I would like to click on options just to show you a couple things. I can click this box if I want this to be a required question. In other words, the evaluation or feedback cannot be submitted without answering this question. Notice my other options are randomize, sort, or flip, adjust the layout, etc. I'm going to click Save in order to save the question to my survey. So here's what it looks like. How satisfied were you with your child's teacher? Here's the drop-down box, and these would be your options. Alright, so if I want to add another one, I could click on another one of these, and I would drag it over to my space and release it. So this is how you would create your survey. When you're finished, you're going to click the green Next button, and you will be provided a link with which to use for students or parents to click on to take the survey. You're also provided with other ways to collect your survey results at the bottom.